Welcome to REI Nation's Investor Blueprint, providing the tools you need to build the portfolio you want. Today's episode is all about timing the market. Is it possible to time the market? We've seen up to 82% of millennials regret their choice to buy a home in the last few years. Why? Because they rushed into an overpriced market and chose to buy a fixer-upper that was beyond their ability to renovate. This regret is an opportunity for real estate investors to consider, not just in offering a solution through rentership, but in our own property buying decisions. Forget the pressure to jump in or stand back based on a notion of timing, and focus on the deal at hand. Does it meet your criteria for an investment? Can you see long-term potential for passive income? Does it help diversify your growing portfolio? The truth is, there's no right season to invest, and if there were, it might take you several years to try to find it. According to Harvard researchers, the average real estate market life cycle from a seller's market to a buyer market and back again is around 16 years. Don't rely on market timing to invest. Play your hand wisely and make the most of the season you're in right now. Have you enjoyed this Investor Blueprint? Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to be notified of all future content.